today I'm going to show you the experiment for molar volume of a gas. So first of all, the equipment: a round bottom flask, a cork ring, a rubber bung, a balance, some water, measuring cylinder, and a gas supply. So first thing, make sure the balance is zeroed, as it currently is. So what we're going to do is take our cork ring, put it on the balance, along with our rubber bung in the round bottom flask. Currently, this has got nothing in it other than air. So when I got that, the number there is the entire mass of the cork ring, the round bottom flask, the air inside, and the bung. So I'll write that down. Now that we know the mass of the entire system, what we want is to replace the gas in here with methane from the gas taps. So what we're going to do here is remove the bung, get my hose, put it in there and turn it upside down because methane is less dense than air, so we will use downward displacement to displace the air down out the bottom of the round bottom flask and turn the gas supply on. Shouldn't we need to wait too long for it to fill up with gas? Soon begin to smell it. A few seconds usually does it. And that should be plenty of methane in the round bottom flask. Turn it off, remove the hose, stick the bung in, and bark on the cork ring. Now just the same process as the last time, weighing the entire thing on the balance. And that is 243.90 grams, so I'll go and write that down. So now remove it from the balance, we no longer need the balance. What we need is the measuring cylinder and the water. So this is a 500 milliliter round bottom flask, but it doesn't contain 500 milliliters exactly. 500 milliliters is probably only to about here on the actual flask. It contains more, so in order to see the actual true volume, what we'll do is fill it up with water. I've made it blue so you can actually see it. And now, get our measuring cylinder. Move the balance out of the way. Try not to spill any. And that is actually, I'm going to get down at eye level, 500, 550, 560, 70, 580 milliliters that contained of gas. The reason we do this afterwards and not before is because any liquid in here would completely mess up with the mass of the gas inside the round bottom flask. And now that I'll go and write down this number, that is pretty much the end of the experiment. Now through my wonderful editing skills, we will cut to the values that I worked out in this experiment. Dr. Miller will show you how to use these values in the calculations to calculate the molar volume.